I'm good. Alright, Martin. Ayan, gaano ka ka-excited for the first ever mainstream movie ng Barda?
Yeah, sobrang excited. I'm here to support Barda. Si Barbie, si David, alam naman natin na sila ang phenomenal love team, and after the success of Maria Clara and Ibarra, I'm very excited and curious kung what kind of love or kilig ang ibibigay nila sa atin, ipapakita nila sa atin ngayon.
Totoong-totoo yan. Siyempre, ayan, maraming salamat. Martin Del Rosario!
Thank you, everyone.
Mart, picture ka muna, step forward. Give me the microphone, okay? And 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay? To your right. Okay. Thank you, Martin. Susunod, i-welcome naman natin sa red carpet natin.
Nasa taping, si Paul ba?
Oo, ating kaibigan. Oo. Mikey, ayan, that kind of love. Ayan, ikaw, gaano ka ka-excited? I'm sure nadaanan or napanood mo yung trailer nila, Barda.
Excited ako makita. I'm sure marami dito nanood din ng Maria Clara at fans din nun. So, this is a big treat for all of them na sinundan yung love team na to. And I'm one of those people. So, I'm excited to see them together on screen. And on the big screen. So, congratulations, David and Barbie.
Maraming salamat, Mikey. Ayan, picture na Mikey sa center. Maraming salamat. And everybody, picture and smile. Okay. Oh. Diba? Oh. Sangre! Oh, taray. Yes. Maraming salamat, Mikey Quintos. Ngayon naman, susunod, kasama nating lumalakad naman ngayon dito sa red carpet, Khalil Ra. Sabi mo, Divine.
Ako nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng enerhiya ninyo. Bigyan niyo naman kami ng isang hiyaw! Naniniwala ba kayo na maganda tayong lahat?
Yes!
Sumigaw ang lahat na maganda!
Tama na siya. Ayan, Divine, maraming salamat. Ayan, susunod, tawagin naman natin. Siyempre, ito naman siya, gaganap bilang si Sofia Kyla Estrada. Ayan, ang ganda ng ano. Hi.
Good evening, Barbie and David. Congratulations on your movie. I am so excited to watch it. I'm sure madideliver nyo na naman yung kilig na hinihintay naming lahat at gusto naming makita. Congrats also to PMPI and to Direct Cathy, of course. I'm so excited to watch the movie.
Thank you, Rian. Congressman Sam Versosa, of course. Ayan, maraming salamat for gracing our red carpet tonight. Rian, thank you. See you inside the cinema. Step forward and picture, please. Maraming salamat. Of course, kasama rin natin ito mga closest friends ni David, diba? Si Nikki Ko and Dustin Yu. Hi, Dust, and hi, Nikki. Bati kayo.
At sa lahat ng manonood po, sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa film and always support Barda. Thank you.
Salamat, Nikki. Dustin.
And hi everyone, congrats to Barda and sana ma-enjoy yung movie. Ayan, nice seeing you all.
Maraming salamat, Dustin Yu and Nikki Ko. Ayan, sa forward picture. And then, see you inside the cinema. Siyempre naman, ay ibang level ang Barbie and David.